Today, our first video talking about making alternative income ultimately ended up being a loss.
You have no skills and you're a loser!
We're going to do a quick review. Let's talk about the loss today. Let's talk about the lessons that we learned. Every loss, guys, no matter what, you at least gained a valuable lesson from the loss. At least I hope you did. That's the point. So, let's talk about the loss. So to begin with, it's Monday.
What day is it? Meow. Monday.
My trading account is still funded under $25,000.
I can't eat. I'm broke.
Naturally, I'm within the PDT rule. I trade on margin. I don't have a cash account. And I'm only allowed 3 day trades per every 5-day period.
36.
And yeah, today was one of those days that I was out of day trades. You know, what can I tell you? I was out of day trades.
What the fuck are you doing?
And not really realizing that I was out of day trades.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
And so I'll explain kind of what happened today.
No one cares.
Even though my mindset was completely wrong, you guys can see my mindset. And let's go ahead and look at that. Alright, here we are looking at the chart. It's the WEBULL platform, and we're looking at pre-market. Off of news and pre-market, it shot up to 23.97 from around 22.50 area, so it had a really nice pre-market news, which caught my attention to the stock, being that it's going to be a earnings news play later on in the day. So you can see that my entry was waiting for the pullback when I finally started to look at this chart, probably 10 minutes before market open. So you can see that red candle somewhere right in there is my entry. And so then at market open, we had our nice pop up and we tested our pre-market highs. And of course, that's right when I noticed, oh my god, I have no freaking day trades. I just took a trade and trapped myself in this position all day long on an earnings release day with absolutely no way of getting out of this trade. I mean, I guess you could get out of it, but you're going to get slapped on the wrist by the broker. You're going to be put into a hold pattern on your account, sometimes 90 days. So there it sat. And as soon as market opened, we got the little pop-up, and then it sold off and flushed down. Thank God it found support. So there I sat and held it and watched all day long as I bled money, but had confidence that it would come back up. I mean, it was pre-market news. It had a nice little pop. It sold off. People took their profits in the morning. Then we're going to have the play for later in the afternoon for earnings, as you can see. So around noon, it started to come back up at my entry position. About 2 o'clock, I was in the money. And market closes at 4, and you can see that last big tall green candle there reached all the way up to 25.19. That was the last 5 minutes of the market. And yeah, I would have been up, man, I don't know, $700 or so.
Okay.
Would have been up $700, but then again, I'm all out of day trades. No way to close the freaking day trade. It's not a day trade at this point. It's a swing trade, and I'm at the mercy of the stock. And yeah, as soon as it popped all the way up to 25.19, guys, it just flushed down. And it flushed down fast. Within about 20 minutes, we gave back $4. Almost $4. All right, well, there it is. There's the lesson for the day, right? If you're gonna lose money once again, always take away a lesson from it. You paid for the lesson. You might as well heed some advice from the money lost. And my biggest lesson, again, never trade if you're under the PDT rule without an exit, without a way to take profit, without a way to cover your position, without a way to at least break even. life moves on. We have more trades to take tomorrow, more opportunities to seize, right? A failure shouldn't shake you out of wanting to try again. And that's the biggest thing to take away, okay? We always fail. Always. I don't care how good you are. Eventually, you're going to fail. And we move forward. We always move forward. It's important to continue to put one foot in front of the other. So, that's it, guys. That's the lesson for the day.
When will you learn? When will you learn?
That's a very valuable one for me, I guess.
I can't eat. I'm broke.
Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you. Have a good day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks.